Ayan, nag-umpisa na yan.
Sige, bilis, bilis.
Meron na yan, nag-umpisa na.
Sana ang inaano ko.
Wala, ito ba, meron na yan. Kusa na yan. Hindi ko na zero.
Sige, magsalita ka muna. Anong ginagawa nyo?
This is we call shotgun.
Shit, what's that?
Shotgun, I don't know.
According to Jero, what's that? Hey, what's that?
Mahintay na lang, malalaman nila, di ba?
How about Charlie? What?
Turning to
Reality.
virtual reality.
Yeah?
Hale-hale na tayo.
It's only now that you encountered that one.
Oh?
You?
Yeah.
First time to encounter that one. Now, what you call that one?
Shotgun, it's called shotgun.
Oh shit.
You gotta
What's
see
that?
this.
What's that? What's that, Mark? What you're doing?
Just...
What? Nothing. Looking for the name. What's that?
Canadian.
Oh fuck! Canadian Molson.
Yeah.
Ba't baliktad? How about this one?
This one.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's your beer?
Yeah.
You love that one?
Yeah. And this is my stuff.
What? What's that?
My stuff.
Fucking hell, Heineken? What's that? What's that? Miller? How about the Corona?
Yeah, that's good.
How about the Coke? Why you use that one?
Ano,
How about
game
this? Game na.
Okay, pila-pila tayo dito.
Sige, sige.
Kinangina po.
Bilang ka 1, 2, 3 ha. Bilang ka 1, 2, 3 pag subo namin.
Ba't sinigaw? Yan, go! Aga mo naman nakaubos. Oh, oh, this one. Look that one, gin wine. Oh. Oh, tapos yung sinatgan nyo. Dito. 1,
Yung butas. Yung butas.
This is the hole.
2. Dude, hilera mo. Yan. Number 1, 2, 3. Kaya nga lumabas yung maple leaf eh. Siya yung number 1, di ba?
Joseph, sorry. Tinanong na ni Charlie, ano?
Hey!
Nakabidyo kayo.
Gian, let's try this. Gian.
What's that?
Gian, let's try this.
What's that?
Funnel. This is funnel.
Pagdikitin mo. Yan, para oh!
Kailangan palitan to. Kasi maliit eh.
Puta, nakuha lahat yan.